guys, it's Crypto Jet. I'm back with a new video. I have a new strategy that I want to talk about today, but before I get into that strategy, I want to say thank you to my new and existing subscribers for watching my content and engaging with me. As I said in the previous video, once I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a $25 Bitcoin giveaway. And so once I reach that 500, I just got 7 more subscribers left. If you can, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that will let you know when new videos will arrive on your account. But anyway, let's go ahead and talk about MMF Finance. So if we look at the charts, we're still in this uptrend, but I noticed today we're in this I wouldn't say bear market, but I guess you could say this pullback, as you can see. Because a while back I drew this trend line. As you can see, we still on the steady uprise. So I think price is probably going to. I'm not 100% sure, but I will hope that price will pull back down to at least $1.35, so I can buy more there. But if not, I probably can enter this around this price area here, like dollar cost average around here. But I do plan on buying more MMF tokens here within the next week or so. But let's talk about my new strategy. And this involves more of the MMO Vault. If you don't know what MMO Vault is, I talked about it in my last couple other videos. It's this page right here. But even before that, I talked more about the farms and just taking your rewards and bringing it to the MMO vaults. But this strategy here that I have is just taking your MMF Crow and just going straight to this page here and just depositing here instead of just going to this farm right here and just staking it here. So basically, what this strategy is saying is you take your Chronos, you trade some of it for your MMF. Yeah, trade some of it for MMF, so that way you can create the MMF Crow LP token. And then you take that MMF Crow LP token and you put it into the vaults, right? So you will earn both MMF and MMO. So I made a mistake in my last video. I thought this right here, this MMF and MMO, I thought this was an LP token. No. So when you stake your MMF Crow LP token, you will get these separately. So you get MMF and then you will get MMO, right? So that's my mistake on that, and I need to go back and edit my pictures that I made for this. But oh yeah, also I'm still working on my Crypto Jetta website. So every strategy that I've talked about on my YouTube channel, it will be listed on my website in blog view, so that way you can always go back and understand more of what I'm talking about in these videos. So stay tuned. I will talk about it within the next 2-3 weeks. My website should be ready by then, so just stay tuned. Thank you. So going back to the strategy, right? Now, like I said, we take our MMF Crow LPs and we put it in the MMO vault. So this is the vault right here. If I go back here. Now let me refresh this page, by the way. Alright, so if we take our MMF Crow LPs and we stake it in this vault right here, this is our API, current APY right here, 2,745%. But in actuality, if you read right here, it says the APY may not reflect the actual percentage and should be used as an estimate. To achieve the target APY, it is important to stake for longer periods of time because of the auto compounding maximizer effect. So basically, if you're going to participate in these vaults, you just got to make sure that you keep your funds in here for a while. I guess you could say a long time, for months on end, if you want to take advantage of these APY levels, right? But if you look at the APR is around about 333% a year. So I staked this yesterday. So what I did was I took my amount that I had in my farm here, and I just threw it in here just to see, just to test things out, really. So, and as you can see, within the day, I mean, I done made around about $2. As you can see here, I have around about $1.37 worth of MMF and 72 cents worth of MMO. Obviously, I'm going to stake more in here in the future to gain more. And I'm also probably going to do a future video here showing the claim process. I'm not going to do it in this video here because I want to obviously earn more than what I have. And also, being that I, just staked this in yesterday, if I wanted to unstake this and put it in a different farm or vault or whatever, then it's going to take a 0.5% fee for unstaking within 72 hours. And as you can see here, my last deposit was almost a day ago, so as you can see. But that's just basically the whole process. So basically, after you, put your MMF Crow LP into the vault, you earn MMF and MMO. So here's the next thing. Here's the idea, right? And so, like I said in the future video, I want to claim those rewards. And so what I want to do with those rewards is stake the MMO into the MMO single pool to earn Wrap Crow. So basically, if I go back here and you see this manual single MMO, if I stake the MMO in here, I'm going to earn Wrap Crow, right? And so once I get enough funds, in fact, I do have some MMO sitting to the side now. But like I said, I'm not going to do that. I feel like that would be a waste of fees just to stick that little amount in there. So like I said, stay tuned for a future video on that. So basically, yeah, staking that MMO and put it into this single MMO pool to earn Wrap Crow. And being that this is a manual pool, I would have to compound, I have to compound this pool, this vault myself. The contract code on this one does not auto compound for you, so you will have to compound this yourself. So, and then I will take the MMF that I receive from the rewards, right? I can do either one or two things right here. I can stake the MMF in the single MMF vault. So like I said, if you go back here and you see this auto single MMF, so this contract right here auto compounds for you, and you can see the APY is 280% per year. So if what I can do is I can either stake the single MMF to receive more MMO and MMF tokens, right? And if I click on that, this will be an auto compound. I don't have no MMF tokens right now. I will have to wait and receive them as rewards from this vault right here. Or I can just take that MMF, right, and I can make more MMF Crow LPs. So basically, I'm just repeating this process all over again with the single MMF rewards that I earned. So I hope you understand this. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave any comments. But I will post this picture on my Twitter. If you don't know what my Twitter is, it's twitter.com/CryptoJetta. Follow me on there, and I will have this image right here, so that way you can fully understand. Or if you need to, you can just pause this video and you can look at the image there. But like I said, once I have my site finished, I will have these images on my website, so that way you can understand a little bit better. And being that I'm not really a great talker when it comes to things like this, I do better making blog posts anyway. So, but yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, just leave comments, and you guys have a great day.